Alright, welcome back to the channel, and it's the start of a new week, and today is currently Monday, and I'm just making this video. It's a no trading day for me currently, so that's why I'm making this video today. So I know you might have been like, why I haven't posted a video for a very long time. Let me just say I took a break. It's okay to actually take a pause, and that was what was actually going on. Actually, I took a pause, and during those times this happened. My tripod got spoiled. There's literally nothing I could do about that, so I got another one recently, and this is it. And also during those times, this phone, my second phone, actually got spoiled. The battery and I don't even know, the battery got spoiled, so I'm just working towards fixing it. And that was that about that. So I was supposed to actually start posting a video about 2 weeks ago. This new month I was supposed to actually start posting a video, but I decided I wanted to start making videos again. Then light had issues. The transformer around this side got spoiled, the tripod got spoiled, the phone got spoiled. Oh, okay, that was even before this new month. So it was the transformer that actually got spoiled, and I wasn't able to just do anything. So because the light is of course bad. And what else? Okay, last week the light got restored. It got spoiled again. They actually stole the cable. What can we do? It's beyond our control. So that was one of the reasons I actually didn't actually post. Alright, so this week everything is up and going, and since even last week the light has been good, and that's a very good thing. So I just want us to unbox this together. Let's just unbox it together. So. It has another pack, and the older. So this, wow, is somewhat different. I knew it was different. This cap is different from this. I don't know if you can see. This is different from this. This is the one that got spoiled. This is the new one. So I just hope this lasts. And this one is much more longer than this. These people changing things. This one is much more longer. But then this is what it is. Let me just assemble this. Done. So it seems I don't like this. I might just change this into the new one, like this older, this tightener. Anyhow, I'll just change it into the new one because I don't really like this one somehow. But fair enough. It is good. Yeah. So this is it. That's that about that. So a video is going to be dropping on Saturday as well. I think I'm going to be posting this on Wednesday, just to update everybody. I'm back online, and let me just say I'm sorry for not even hinting you guys. You guys are my real OG. I'm sorry for not hinting you guys and just again disappearing and coming back to reappear again. So trust going forward, everything is going to be working out smoothly. Then I'm working on fixing this, like I've said earlier, and because it's going to be an hassle for me switching from trading view to the trading app on the laptop, and it's going to just be clouded. So I prefer showing things on here and everything just working smoothly. So that's just that about that. And all of my ranting. There's light currently, but I just wish they just sustain how the light is throughout the week. So that's that about that. So do well to stay glued to the channel, and further updates will actually be communicated to you over probably in the video on Saturday. The video is going to be dropping on Saturday. I think I'm going to end it on Friday, or I'll prefer Friday so I can drop it on Saturday, because it's, I don't know, the network issues is actually very, I don't even know what's happening these days. It's very bad. So let's just see what happens. And that's just it for this video. I hope you've been having a very productive trading month. It's been fantastic actually. I hope you've been having a fantastic month as well. And yeah, that's just it.